You open it with a fresh start in the morning, only to find it overflowing by lunchtime. Drowning in emails, flailing to stay afloat. Sound familiar? Maybe you've heard of Newton Mail, the productivity app promising inbox domination. But with all these email contenders out there, is Newton Mail the hero you need, or just another overhyped knight in shining armor? Well, before you jump ship from your current email provider, let's address the big question: how much does this knight cost? Unlike the free email services you might be used to, Newton Mail operates on a yearly subscription basis. That means you pay a set fee up front for a year's worth of access. So, how much is this yearly fee? Buckle up, because here's the key information you've all been waiting for. Newton Mail will set you back $49.99 for a year of service. Whoa, hold on a second. Nearly $50 for an email app? Isn't that a bit steep? That's a fair question. After all, there are plenty of free options out there. But hold your horses. Before you dismiss Newton Mail as an overpriced luxury, let's delve deeper and see if the features justify the price tag. Why pay when you can have free, right? Well, free email services often come with limitations. They might bombard you with ads, limit storage space, or lack the advanced features power users crave. Newton Mail positions itself as a premium email experience, focusing on organization and efficiency. Here are some of the features that might make that $49.99 feel more like an investment. Zen out your inbox. Feeling overwhelmed by email clutter? Newton Mail boasts a Zenbox feature that filters out low-priority emails, allowing you to focus on the important stuff. Snooze it or lose it. Later, we've all been there. An email pops up that needs attention, but you're swamped. Newton Mail lets you snooze emails, temporarily removing them from your inbox and bringing them back at a designated time. Templates and snippets. Tired of typing the same email greetings or information over and over? With Newton Mail, you can create custom templates and snippets to streamline your communication. Schedule like a pro. Ever wish you could send emails at the perfect time? Newton Mail lets you schedule emails to land in the recipient's inbox at a specific time, ensuring your message arrives when it's most impactful. Cross-platform champion. Do you jump between your phone, laptop, and tablet throughout the day? No problem. Newton Mail seamlessly syncs across all your devices, so your emails are always accessible, no matter where you are. Is that it? Of course not. These are just a few highlights. Newton Mail offers a suite of other features designed to make email management a breeze. But here's the thing. While these features are undoubtedly powerful, the question remains, are they worth the price tag, especially for casual email users? The answer depends on your needs. If you're constantly battling email overload and crave a more organized, efficient inbox, then Newton Mail's features could be a game changer. Power users who juggle multiple accounts and demand top-notch functionality might also find value in the premium experience. However, if you're a casual email user who's content with the basic functionalities offered by free services, then the $49.99 price tag might be a turn-off. The good news? Newton Mail offers a free 14-day trial. This gives you ample time to test drive the app, see if the features resonate with you, and decide if the premium experience is worth the annual fee. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in Newton Mail rests with you. Consider your email habits, your budget, and what features are most important to you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.